Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're tackling a common issue that many of us have faced: noisy neighbors. Whether you're living in an apartment complex or a quiet suburb, dealing with noise disturbances can be quite a challenge. This video will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to handle noisy neighbors and restore your peace of mind. The first step in dealing with noisy neighbors is identifying the types of noise you're dealing with. Whether it's loud music, stomping footsteps, or late-night parties, understanding the source of the noise will help you choose the most effective approach for resolving the issue. Communication plays a vital role in resolving noise complaints. Approach your neighbors calmly and politely to discuss the issue. They might not be aware that their activities are causing a disturbance. Keeping the lines of communication open can often lead to a positive resolution. If the noise continues to be a problem, consider taking steps to mitigate it on your end. Investing in noise-canceling headphones, soundproof curtains, or rugs can help reduce the impact of external noise, creating a more peaceful living environment for you. In case the situation escalates and you need evidence, document the noise disturbances. Keep a record of dates, times, and descriptions of the noise incidents. This documentation can be helpful if you need to involve your landlord or property management. If direct communication and self-mitigation don't work, it might be time to involve your landlord. Reach out to them with your documented complaints and request their assistance in addressing the issue. Landlords have a responsibility to ensure tenants' peaceful enjoyment of their homes. If tensions rise, consider involving a neutral third party to mediate the situation. This can be a property manager, community association representative, or even a professional mediator. A mediator can facilitate a productive conversation between you and your noisy neighbors. And that concludes our guide on dealing with noisy neighbors. Remember, maintaining a respectful and open-minded approach can go a long way in finding a resolution. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video.